baton leads the way, shining so bright with laughter.
Ang inyong lingkod, Kuya Betong. Bali, magkakamping tayo ngayon. Tawagin Collins Lake Campground. Medyo maganda siya. Nakita ko yung website nila. Maganda. So, susubukan natin yan. Kaya, you know how we do it.
Kuya Betong's adventures draw us near. Campfire stories under a starry sky, roasting marshmallows as the fire cracks high, with friends by our side. We're never alone in this paradise. We've somehow found home. Together we rise like the sun in the morn, fueled by the love that we've evenly sworn. Happy camping, let's make memories unfold with each step we take.
Sabrina,
Aren't you gonna help us out?
why don't you just take us videos?
Yeah, go ahead. Doon sa office.
Here's all around the video.
Hindi ko lang alam. Magkano
I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe.
Baka 10 bucks na.
Please like and subscribe
Bigyan mo
about
ako,
this.
Come on, man. Oh my God. Wala yung ano.
It's been crinkle.
No.
See the next part.
You have extra pen? Yeah. Small one. Yeah. Beto, it's nothing inside. Oh my goodness.
See, this is why I found an extra.
Because he didn't bring the big ones because no one's coming. No, because he was thinking maybe we're gonna sleep in the car. He's gonna try to fix the.
Here.
What is that?
It's a camera. I'm the camera lady.
Baka nawala yung laman. Sino nagtanggal ng laman? Which one is that? Hopefully nandun. Oh. Hindi nyo double check. Ay, nalagyan nyo na yung malaki. Kaya lang. You should buy that one too.
I know. I like that. You just throw it in. That's it. Easy money.
Ano ba awa?
Is that Amazon?
Yeah. Oh, may ano siya pa.
Nice.
careful by the big rocks and mini rocks.
Be careful. Oh, galing ah. Acha, wait for me. Wait for me, there's a truck.
I think we should never go there.
Yeah.
This way. This is not like the girl. Kayaking, I know.
Not this video.
This looks like a half banana, half red.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, look at it.
Yeah.
Please, I want to go canoeing. Like, quack, quack, like that. I'm scared of gooses and crabs.
Naglalakad kami na Bulilit. Oh. Bulilit!
But I like finding like seashells.
There's no seashells.
Yes,
here.
they
This
are.
is lake. Dalaan kami dito sa
I want to
sa
wash
lake-
my slippers
lakeshore.
right now. I need to
Yeah?
wash my slippers. Please.
You're gonna get wet.
It's okay, I'll just
And when you get wet, your feet's gonna get dirty.
No, it won't.
Yeah.
Because my feet is from sand.
Oh, maybe we can go over here.
Yeah, let's go.
Go ahead. Let's go.
No, I'm scared. No, you go in front.
Whoa. Look at that. Ooh.
Don't go fast on me, please. I feel like we're moving.
Yeah, I think so. Ganda rito. Oh.
Ay, water to. Oo, malinis yan. Pwede natin inumin tsaka pangluto.
Lobat na.
Paggawa tayo sinigang. Pero nadala ka bang baro-baro eh? Wala ko nadala si Mark eh. Pero pwede natin inumin yan eh. May ano naman eh.
Wala, camping-camping lang. Camping-camping lang. Ito yung si Bulilit. Ayun o. Nasa loob ng tent.
Oh, okay, here. I'm going now.
Hello. Walang magawa eh, kaya bigla ang nag-camping eh. Maganda yung place. Mamaya checkin natin tong lugar. Pero so far sa nakikita ko maganda naman ang lugar. Mukhang tahimik. Nung nag-checking kami, yung mga staff nila doon mababait naman, di naman mukhang suplada. Medyo maayos naman kausap. Yung bumili pa nga ng ice cream yung mga bata, tsaka si Mrs. Small lang ang binibili, binigyan sila ng malaki. Yung large ice cream. Grabe, pa-welcome. Ay, maganda dito. Mamaya punta tayo sa sa may tubig area, magagala, lakad-lakad lang. Parang masarap magpalipad ng drone dito. Try ko kaya. Try natin.
Hearts lift us higher. Kuya Beton grins, guiding the way. Adventure awaits with the break of each day. Every moment shared is a treasure we find. Nature's embrace wraps us so gentle and kind. Camping is our thing, under the endless sky. With each step we take, we reach for what's high. Adventure calling, we're ready to roam. With Kuya Vuitton, we're always at home. Paths less traveled, our journey unfolds. With every campsite, new memories told. The crackle of branches, a symphony bright. Together we shine like stars in the night. With Kuya Vuitton, there's no room for fear. Another day, another camp, our joy so clear. Camping is our thing, under the endless sky. With each step we take, we reach for...
Sa mga oras ito medyo nagugutom na lahat. Luto tayo ng fishball. Kaya dinaan na lang sa biro, kalokohan. Fishball kayo dyan. Wala na nga lang sauce. Ketchup na lang. Sako na yan. Kung ako'y mag-aasawa, pipiliin ko anak ng magpipishball. Tuhugan kami.
So nakita ko na yung sandok dito. Dahil ka ng tubig to, Daddy, na. Can we put water? Daddy? Ba't na? Dishwasher pa.
Kompleto pa, kompleto.
Ano pa?
Mga naghahanap sa inyo ng katulong. Ito.
Mahal charge ko.
Yan, number 1 yan.
Mahal ang charge ko.
Paglalaban pa kayo.
Dishwasher. Ay, wala pang tulog ko.
Partida, wala pang tulog.
O yan. Wala tulog yun.
Naging meron nyo raw to, hindi na tutulog to. Wala nang tulugan.
Pwede ba kanahon lang? Wow. No way.
Okay na raw sweldo, patira na lang.
Mars.
Shit. I get stuck here. Supposed to be on vacation.
Sweet?
Yeah. Ang lulutuin mo? Sinigang.
So, I'm gonna put the hot dog, please.
Sinigang na hipon. Alam nyo, hindi uusad ang barko kung hindi tayo magtutulungan. Kaya minsan, tulong-tulong din pag may time. At maganda yung nagtutulungan dahil napapagaang nito ang trabaho ng bawat isa. Huwag na nating hintayin mapagod ang iba bago tayo tumulong. Ang sarap kaya sa pakiramdam mo, di ba? Kaya pag nakakita ka ng inaakala mo kailangan ay tulungan mo. Huwag ka na mahiya. Malay mo, someday, di ba? Ikaw naman ang tulungan kahit hindi ka humihingi ng tulong. Dahil yung taong tinulungan mo, tumatanaw ng utang na loob sa'yo. Ganun lang. Kaya huwag natin tigilan ng pagtulong. Yun lang. Hugas-hugas din pag may time.
I just woke up from a dream
where you and I had to say goodbye.
and I don't know what it all means.
But since I survived, I realized
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow.
nobody's promised tomorrow.
So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Ooh. If the party was over and our time on earth was through,
I wanna hold you just for a while.
both of us. And I, with a smile, if the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Ate Samantha, are you okay? There's a hotline.
Times are tough.
Oh, actually, times are really good. Times are really good. You can charge it right here.
Okay.
Won't this explode?
You should know. Charger talaga yun.
You can always talk to
That's your Uncle Ricky's
So
charger.
it's meant to have multiple?
Yeah.
It's a
Kaya
portable
nga,
charger.
portable.
Still put it in the sun.
You need to buy one like that.
Your phone's gonna explode. It's already hot and then it's charging and then it's gonna get hot.
Mine has not. It's 10:59.
You know what our names was gonna be?
11th bit of time.
You know what our names
Oh.
was gonna be? The Salmon
Guys, we
Madonna.
should have a rap battle.
How
Bro,
hot?
ain't no way.
Watch.
This is not 2015, bro. Watching cartoon characters rap, bro.
Bro, you do not need it to be 2015 to rap.
Back then, rap was actually good.
I just clocked your TA.
Now rap is just about money.
Underneath the starry skies we roam, wild and free, we found our home. Laughter echoes through the air so bright, camping adventures, our spirits take flight. The fire crackled, stories shared with glee. So let's raise our voices, let's sing out loud. Joy of adventure, we're so proud. In every moment, we'll chase the sun. Happy camping adventures, our hearts run.
Happy campers, dito na po magtatapos ang ating videos. Sana namang magandang alaala. Makakaasa kayo na may mga adventures pa tayong gagawin. Hindi lang ito. For sure marami pa. Kaya patuloy lang ang pagsuporta. At maraming salamat sa inyo, mga happy campers. Mag-ingat po ang lahat kung nasaan man kayo. Nagmamahal, Kuya Pep. Yes!
We're ready to chase nature's embrace. It's our happy place. Happy camping. Let's make memories unfold. With each step we take, a new story to hold. In every heartbeat, in laughter and cheer, Kuya Betong's adventures draw us near. Campfire stories under a starry sky.